Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Observer, your absolute go-to hub for the most cutting-edge AI news. The latest AI breakthroughs in 2026, all the hottest AI trends shaping 2026, artificial intelligence advancements that are blowing minds, quantum AI discoveries revolutionizing industries, agentic AI revolutions taking over workflows, and every single game-changing AI invention that's transforming our world as we speak here in February 2026. If you're totally obsessed with AI innovations, multimodal AI models that process text, images, and video seamlessly, trillion-parameter AI powerhouses pushing boundaries, the ethics of designer babies powered by AI, quantum drug discovery breakthroughs that could cure the incurable, and the wild road leading us toward AGI, then smash that subscribe button right now. Hit the like button if you're super hyped for these 2026 AI explosions, and make sure to turn on those notifications because we're dropping elite, in-depth deep dives every single week. Today, we're fully unpacking MIT Technology Review's official 10 Breakthrough Technologies 2026 list, which dropped fresh in January, plus all the buzzing February 2026 AI news highlights like Anthropic's groundbreaking Claude Opus 4.6 with its multi-agent teams, OpenAI's new frontier platform for deploying enterprise AI agents, the massive $200 million Snowflake and OpenAI partnership embedding AI agents into data platforms, and even more from sources like Nature's Technologies to watch, including quantum computing integrations and mRNA therapeutics boosted by AI. This countdown isn't just a list, it's a mix of pure AI powerhouses blended with biotech, energy, and space tie-ins that are supercharging artificial intelligence in ways we couldn't imagine a year ago. By the end of this video, you'll totally see why 2026 is the pivotal year where AI shifts from being a helpful tool to an unstoppable, transformative force in every aspect of life. Drop a comment below right this second. What's your #1 predicted AI breakthrough for the rest of 2026? Let's kick this off. The countdown from 10 to 1 begins now. Number 10. Sodium-ion batteries, the AI-optimized power revolution that's fueling sustainable AI trends in 2026. Alright, starting strong with one of the foundational enablers on MIT's list. Sodium-ion batteries, which are emerging as a massive breakthrough for sustainable AI trends in 2026. These aren't your standard lithium-ion batteries. Instead, they swap out expensive and rare lithium for super cheap and abundant sodium, and artificial intelligence is playing a starring role in accelerating their development to levels we've never seen before. Machine learning algorithms from leading companies like Natron Energy and CATL are simulating literally billions of possible material combinations, optimizing everything from the anodes and cathodes to the electrolytes to achieve ultra-fast charging times, much longer lifespans, and significantly lower costs overall. As of February 2026, production lines are already ramping up with AI-driven efficiency improvements hitting 40% or higher in real-world tests. Why is this such a top AI trend right now? Well, think about hyperscale AI data centers, which we'll dive deep into at number 1. These things are absolute energy monsters, consuming power on the scale of entire small countries just to train those massive trillion-parameter models like Moonshot AI's Kimi K2.5 or Alibaba's Qwen 3 Max thinking. Sodium-ion technology is making green, scalable AI truly feasible by powering electric vehicles, smart grids, and even edge AI devices without leading to environmental disasters or supply chain breakdowns. Imagine your next AI companion app or autonomous AI agent running on hardware that's powered by these batteries. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and ready for mass adoption. But let's get into the ethical side. Does this really solve AI's growing carbon footprint crisis, or is it just delaying a bigger reckoning as AI compute demands keep skyrocketing? For all you AI news enthusiasts out there, this is the unsung hero invention that's enabling so many other breakthroughs on this list. Tell me in the comments, are AI-optimized batteries the key to making 2026's AI trends truly sustainable, or do we need even bigger energy innovations? Number 9. Gene resurrection. AI reviving extinct species through biotech AI breakthroughs in 2026. Moving right along to number 9. Gene resurrection, where advanced machine learning is literally bringing back extinct species like woolly mammoths, dodos, and passenger pigeons from the brink of oblivion. This AI invention relies on tools like DeepMind's AlphaFold 3, which predicts protein structures from ancient DNA fragments with incredible accuracy, guiding precise CRISPR gene edits to reconstruct viable genomes. Colossal Biosciences, fueled by huge AI investments, is targeting the first mammoth calves by 2028, using multimodal AI models to process genetic sequences, high-res images of preserved tissues, and even environmental simulation data to ensure these revived creatures can thrive. Beyond the cool Jurassic Park factor, this breakthrough could restore entire ecosystems that have been devastated by climate change, boosting biodiversity and helping with carbon sequestration efforts worldwide. Tie this into broader AI trends for 2026. Quantum AI simulations from companies like IonQ are set to refine these genetic models even further, making the process faster and more reliable. But here's where the big debate comes in. Are we risking unintended ecological chaos by playing God with nature, or is this a necessary step forward for planetary health in a warming world? For viewers deep into AI and biology, this perfectly showcases how artificial intelligence is turning what was once pure sci-fi into tangible reality, with applications extending to endangered species conservation today. What do you guys think? Should we be using AI to resurrect extinct animals as part of these 2026 biotech breakthroughs, or is it too risky? Drop your honest take in the comments below. Number 8. Base-edited babies. Precision gene editing, guided by AI for healthier generations in 2026. Now, let's dive deeper into one of the more controversial biotech AI breakthroughs at number 8. Base-edited babies, which represent the next evolutionary leap beyond traditional CRISPR technology. Here, AI models are scanning entire human genomes to identify and execute single-letter DNA swaps that can eliminate hereditary diseases like sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, or Huntington's disease, all without the risky double-strand breaks that older methods required. Startups like Beam Therapeutics and Prime Medicine are leveraging generative AI tools to design these edits with safety in mind. And as of 2026, clinical trials are accelerating thanks to prediction accuracies reaching 90% or higher in simulations. This invention beautifully blends machine learning with synthetic biology, allowing for outcome forecasting that's incredibly precise. It directly sets the stage for embryo scoring, which we'll cover at number 2. Imagine parents not just fixing diseases, but potentially enhancing traits in their future kids. In the context of AI trends for 2026, this is precision medicine on steroids, but it ignites massive ethical debates. Will this widen inequality if only the wealthy can afford access, or create a slippery slope toward fully designer humans with boosted intelligence or physical attributes? Multimodal AI is at play here too, processing vast amounts of text-based genetic data, 3D protein structure visualizations, and even real-time simulation outputs. Question for the community: is base editing the ultimate healthcare AI innovation of 2026 that could eradicate inherited disorders forever, or is it way too dangerous to unleash without stricter global regulations? Number 7. Mechanistic interpretability, unlocking the black box of AI for safer, more trustworthy systems in 2026. Shifting gears to a core pillar of artificial intelligence advancements at number 7. Mechanistic interpretability, the breakthrough that's finally cracking open the infamous black box of large language models. Researchers at Anthropic and OpenAI are using AI itself to reverse engineer neural networks, mapping out the internal circuits that drive decisions, spot biases, and prevent hallucinations in models. As of February 2026, previews of tools from Claude Opus 4.6 are showing much clearer reasoning paths, even in massive million-token context windows. This AI trend is absolutely crucial for safe deployment across fields like medicine, finance, autonomous driving, and the pursuit of AGI. No more dealing with unexplained or unreliable outputs that could lead to real-world harm. Looking ahead, quantum computing integrations could speed up these interpretability dissections by orders of magnitude, making it feasible for even larger models. On the ethical front, this is a huge win because transparent AI can reduce fears around misuse, job displacement, or unintended consequences. For top AI channels and enthusiasts, this is the essential how it really works deep dive that viewers are craving to understand the tech behind the hype. How important do you rate black box cracking in your personal view of the 2026 AI revolutions? Give it a like if you think it's critical, and comment your thoughts. Number 6. AI companions, emotional agentic sidekicks redefining human connections in 2026. We're at the halfway mark with number 6 on MIT's list, AI companions, which are rapidly evolving from simple chatbots into hyper-real, proactive emotional partners, therapists, and even virtual friends. Powered by advanced multimodal AI models like evolutions of Grok 5 or Pi 2.0 upgrades, these companions blend text conversations, voice interactions, image recognition, and sophisticated empathy simulations to form deep, meaningful bonds with users. MIT highlights their growing role in combating loneliness, with studies showing genuine emotional lifts for millions of people worldwide. In February 2026 AI News, we're seeing integrations with AR glasses for constant, immersive presence, making them feel like always-on sidekicks. But the risks are real. Addiction, emotional dependency, and the blurring of human-AI boundaries could lead to societal issues if not handled carefully. This breakthrough ties directly into the agentic AI explosion, where companions don't just respond but act autonomously, like scheduling your day or suggesting personalized wellness plans. For health AI applications, it's nothing short of revolutionary, but for society as a whole, is it transformative or heading toward a dystopian over-reliance on machines? Let's debate in the comments. Is this a comforting AI breakthrough that enhances life or a creepy overreach in 2026 trends? Number 5. Commercial space stations, AI-orchestrated orbital hubs accelerating quantum and AI experiments in 2026. Blasting into number 5, commercial space stations from companies like Axiom Space and Blue Origin, which are set to launch new modules in 2026 for everything from tourism to cutting-edge research. Artificial intelligence is at the heart of managing these hubs, handling automated docking procedures, life support systems, crop growth in microgravity environments, and predictive maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. Soon, tourists could book stays in orbit, with AI companions providing narrated views of Earth from space. Why is this an elite AI trend for 2026? These stations are becoming prime locations for quantum computing experiments that tie directly into drug discovery and advanced materials science, a seamless pipeline to our #1 spot. AI agents are in full action here, orchestrating workflows in extreme conditions that humans couldn't manage alone. Ethically, is this democratizing space exploration for everyone or just creating another playground for billionaires? For fans of robotics and AI, it's a showcase of agentic systems thriving in the final frontier. Are you ready for AI-powered space travel as one of the top 2026 inventions? Share your excitement. Number 4. Next-gen nuclear. AI-designed reactors powering the explosive AI boom in 2026. Powering up to number 4, next-gen nuclear reactors, which are compact, ultra-safe, and fully optimized by AI for the demands of modern energy needs. Designs from TerraPower, backed by Bill Gates, use machine learning to simulate thousands of potential meltdown scenarios, test novel materials, and implement liquid sodium cooling systems that could slash costs by 50% as first plants break ground this year. This breakthrough directly addresses the energy thirst of hyperscale AI data centers, providing clean, reliable power without relying on fossil fuels anymore. In 2026 AI trends, it's solving a core bottleneck for training those enormous models like Kimi K2.5. But the debate is heated. Is this nuclear revival essential for sustainable AI revolutions, or still too risky given historical concerns? Comment your stance on this critical energy AI fusion breakthrough. Number 3. Generative coding, AI automating software creation like never before in 2026. Hitting number 3 with the coding revolution. Generative coding AI tools such as GitHub Copilot 3.0, Devon 2, or Claude's code updates, which can build entire apps, games, and websites from simple natural language prompts with over 80% accuracy. MIT calls this transformative because developers can now focus on high-level strategy while AI handles the tedious boilerplate, testing, and deployment phases. In February 2026, Anthropic's agent teams are dividing complex projects autonomously for even faster results. This accelerates all AI advancements and democratizes tech creation for non-experts. Risks include code bugs or shifts in developer jobs, but agentic AI coding is undeniably here. Like this if generative coding excites you as a 2026 breakthrough. Number 2. Embryo scoring. AI enabling designer babies and sparking ethics wars in 2026. Controversial alert at number 2. Embryo scoring, where AI analyzes IVF embryos' genetic data to rank them on traits like disease risk, height, and even IQ with 85% prediction accuracy. Companies like Genomic Prediction are leading the charge, using machine learning on vast DNA datasets to help parents pick the best embryo. This ties into base editing for full enhancements, but it sparks eugenics fears and concerns over societal inequality as regulations lag behind clinic booms. Pro, healthier future generations. Con, designer-human divides. What's your view on this MIT highlighted breakthrough? Pro or con? And finally, the number 1 AI breakthrough of 2026, hyperscale AI data centers fused with quantum drug discovery, the ultimate power duo. Topping MIT's list and tying it all together, hyperscale AI data centers with revolutionary architectures powering trillion-parameter models at enormous energy scales. These facilities train giants like Moonshot Kimi K2.5's Agent Swarm for ultra-fast execution and Anthropic Claude Opus 4.6's agent teams, plus OpenAI Frontier and the 200mm Snowflake partnership for enterprise agents. But the real shocker is the fusion with quantum drug discovery. Frameworks from Quantinuum, IonQ, and QSimulate use quantum sims plus AI to model molecules at atomic levels 100x faster, targeting undruggable cancers, new antibiotics like halicin evolutions, and Alzheimer's cures. Nature's 2026 watch list calls this the miracle med enabler, with mRNA therapeutics supercharged and trials ramping mid-year. These centers demand next-gen nuclear and sodium power while quantum unlocks life-saving inventions. Ethically, who controls these tools? This is the pinnacle of 2026 AI trends. Wow, what an epic, mind-blowing countdown through MIT's 10 Breakthrough Technologies 2026 and February's hottest AI news. From designer babies' AI ethics to quantum AI drug discovery miracles and agentic explosions, these trends are reshaping everything. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below, like for more elite breakdowns, subscribe for weekly AI Trends 2026 updates, and share with your tech-obsessed friends. Thanks for watching. Stay ahead in the AI world.